So I'm here to show you our steam cabinet. A few years ago, I had attempted to try to deglaze a window and failed miserably. I broke, actually, I think 3 full glass windows, and it scared me enough to where I stopped completely. What I was having problems with was removing the glaze, and went to a glazing point, the glass shattered, no matter how light I was doing it. So what we did was look for different options. One of them was the steam cabinet. So you can see this steam cabinet over here. It basically is just one large box. Nothing really exciting here. We used a lot of the pink foam, created a wood frame. There is a hole at the end to have a steamer, just like a regular closed steamer, have that pipe go into here and create a steaming effect for the window. So you Gary, we have a little bit of a problem.
Is it just a smidge too big?
It is.
Let's try it, see what happens.
Okay.
Or the window's just a smidge bigger. You know what it is? Measured the inside of the window. Look at this. Here's what it is. You measured the inside of the window. Here's the outside.
Oh, snap.
That's what
You're
it
right.
is.
Lovely. What is it?
Well, I first tested the steam action.
Yeah.
Now you can have the luxury of turning it on.
This is multitasking at its best. We're waiting for the window to be steamed. I'm working on trying to remove some of the glazing on one of the windows using a heat gun, and Gary is doing our oil changes.
Look at that. It comes out back on. Hey, look at the screws. That's not bad.
Of course I lost the video that shows you how easy it is to get the glazing off when the window is steamed. The biggest challenge there was timing. You had to move quickly, and there was some concern about the excess moisture on the window. Within an hour or two it was perfectly dry, so we didn't think that was an issue at all. We've used this wood hardener outside on our sills. It works great. It almost makes the wood like plastic, and you don't have to worry about any more rotting. The biggest challenge is to not get it on the glass because it will etch the glass.